Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey! I hope that you're having a lovely day wherever you're at. I've been doing well. Definitely haven't been doing as much cleaning as I need to be doing, but what else is new? Oh, I broke my phone also, so my front camera looks like this. So if I'm not in frame, I'm very sorry. I'm gonna need to get used to this. Also, I washed my dreads, so if they look weird, like, that's kind of why. But today, I figured I would go ahead and show y'all my comic book collection. I have a few of them. I keep them in this bag. Some of them are in other bags and stuff. But, yeah, I don't know, keeps them all together, and not all of them are in sleeves. So, it's a good way for me to store them, I guess. In the outer parts of this, I have some of my favorites. So this one is an X-Wing, Star Wars, Rogue Squadron, and then also I have this She-Hulk. It's the first one. Oh no, this isn't the first one. This is the 31 edition or something. I really don't know that much about comic books. I have no business doing any of this. But She-Hulk actually is what started me in collecting comic books. I just started with her. I really love She-Hulk for no particular reason. I don't know a lot about her, stuff like that. But I will show you guys this. This is the X-Wing comic. The back has Darth Vader on it with a Star Wars trilogy on video, with not even DVD, video. It's from 1995. So, I don't even think, what year did the prequels start coming out? Like 2002 or something? I'm not sure. But it's really cool. So, I don't completely know where I got this one from. I believe I bought it from someone at the university center of my college. They were getting rid of a bunch of things. But it's about just like the squadron, the X-Wing squadron, and they're in a battle and stuff. And then the last part's why I love it so much. Like, you get to see Luke Skywalker. He shows up, and that's pretty cool, right? So that's that one. Ooh, ooh. Let me see if I can get it back into this little bag right here. It's in actually really good condition. I don't even think it's bent on the corners at all. Like, I love it a lot. Let me show you guys the She-Hulks. So I have two of the Sensational She-Hulks, right? So, oh, I have three of them. When did I get three? So I have this one right here. I received this from one of, it was a complicated relationship at the time. I'm going to go ahead and say my friend, because we didn't have a name on it. But he gave me this, and I'm always looking out for Plastic Man comic books, because that's his favorite. I really want to give him one. So yeah, and then I also have the second one. I have also the 31, like I said. I just really love this color. I got it at the comics book store. I have no idea. I don't remember what it was called, but it's next to the Grand Asian Market in Cary, North Carolina. And it like has one of the largest... Hey, maybe you're wondering what's going on right now. You know what? Let me tell you what, me too. But if you've made it this far in the video, you've officially made it past when most people click off. My average view time's like 3 minutes and 41 seconds. So thank you for watching this. But consider this some sort of like weird promotional stunt, I guess. But I'm first would like to apologize if you were genuinely interested to see what comic books I had. I can go over that in another video if you'd like. Just comment down below or something. Or you can join me in a live video this Saturday. I believe it would be January 29th, 2022 at 8 p.m. Should I do 8 p.m. or 7 p.m.? I think I'm going to go with 7 p.m. It'll be at 7 p.m. I will be going live and doing some mystery comic book unboxings on that channel. It'll be great fun, great fun. I think we will be doing like 2 of the 5 comic book mystery bags. So I will be unboxing those, doing a little bit of research on them, seeing what they're about, maybe do some dramatic readings. It'll be great fun. I hope that you choose to come join me. Again, that's going to be on Saturday, January 29th, 2022. And I really want to make this video appear as though it's an actual video. So I've done my announcement and all that jazz, and I know maybe some people would like to hear me just jabber on and on about just random stuff, but here's some music to get you through the next like 4 minutes, I guess. Anyways, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. I've gotta go. Love you. Bye.